Hey there, welcome to the Chris Palmer SEO, Chris Palmer Marketing Podcast. In today's podcast, I want to go ahead and talk about a brand new, absolutely phenomenal SEO slash tool slash platform. So this SEO tool I created with, of course, some help from some very talented developers. The name of the tool is Article Extract. So Article Extract is built on the actual framework that the end goal is going to be extracting domains for one-click publishing. Let me explain. So we want to be able to scrape 20 years of data throughout multiple data sets, whether it's Wayback Machine, expired domains, a magnitude of other sites. I want to not only find you expired content at scale, but I also want to find you available and ready expired domains that have the content that you want, that have the equity that you want, equity meaning backlink equity, age, true authority. If you're able to search 20 years in the past, find content that is expired, not indexed, that can be reintroduced to these search engines, recrawled, re-indexed. Along with that, check the metrics of the domain that has the content on it. Make sure to check the age, also the backlinks that are coming in, the authority, because we're going to attach a tool called DOM Detailer to get these metrics. And then instead of utilizing any other tools out there, we want to be able to one-click buy that domain right from the same platform, and then another click, maybe all in one fatal swoop, launch that domain with headers, footers, HTML, literally one click spitting out a website network. So, of course, the name of the tool is Article Extract. Article Extract took well over 90 days to create. We are in phase 1 of the roadmap. The phase 1, like I mentioned, includes article extraction of expired content, along with that, taking snapshots of expired domains, utilizing a system of red light and green light. Red light and green light will tell you if the domain has been previously snatched up, but regardless, the content is expired. So I urge you, have a look at articleextract.com. That's ARTICLEX articleextract.com. You can take a look at the show notes below. See the link. My name is Chris Palmer. I appreciate you taking the time to hear about Article Extract. I'm very excited. The roadmap has multiple phases in it. 3 phases currently to come. Get in now. I hope to see you in the platform. And of course, Chris Palmer, chrispalmermarketing.com for any SEO services, consulting, anything that you might need. Aside from that, I want to go ahead and mention Chris Palmer SEO. If you want to learn anything SEO, digital marketing, PPC related, I'm your guy, and I look forward to seeing you, actually hearing from you in the next podcast. I'll see you in the next one. Have a wonderful, blessed day. Bye-bye.